Welcome to Freedom Naturally Beautiful. My name is Sharonda. I'm a pro beauty informant, barber, hairstylist, cosmetologist, makeup artist, and the creator of the Beauties in Color. Today, I'm going to show you how to apply this eyebrow pomade. This pomade comes in a small airtight sealed container. When you push to open the top, you will see the soft formulated product. I am in the color dark. This eyebrow pomade is made from all natural ingredients such as castor seed oil, vitamin E, oregano leaf extract, cinnamon bark extract, lavender flower extract, and rosemary leaf extract. After each use, be sure to close the container tightly to ensure longevity and softness of the product. The way to apply the pomade is with a square or angular brush. With each stroke of the product applied, it will increase the illusion of more full eyebrows. To start, I use the spoolie from the eyebrow pencil to brush up my hair. Next, I then saturate the brush with as much product as possible. To start building the eyebrow, I always start at the tail end and work my way inwards. By starting at the tail, you're able to really define the shape and pull out the tail end as much as you want it to go. I prefer a more high and straight eyebrow, so by creating the tail end like this, I'm able to do that. I then start to mimic the way that the hair grows. When you do small hair-like strokes in the direction of the hair growth, then you're able to really create the illusion of a more full and defined eyebrow. It looks as if the eyebrow is yours and it's natural, which is why you always want to do hair-like strokes. When you go in with the product and you start to build the eyebrow from underneath as well, be sure to be gentle with pressure. By being more gentle with the pressure, then you allow for less product to get in places where you don't want it and more of a defined eyebrow shape. You can also start to flick the brush into the eyebrow hair just to get a little bit of product in the place that you want it so you don't end up with really bold eyebrow hairs. The goal is to create a natural eyebrow. So continue going with the hair-like strokes until you gradually build your eyebrow. Once you have finished filling in both brows, you're then going to take your mirror and just polish up the areas. Be sure to use the spoolie to really dispense the product throughout and to erase any of the flaws that you may have created. Next, you're going to use a small amount of the foundation also created by Freedom Naturally Beautiful to really define the eyebrow shape. By taking a little bit of product and going underneath and blending it downward and outward, you're going to create an illusion that this was your brow all along. Be sure to pull the product all the way out, downward, on top of the entire eye space and pat in with your finger. And there, you're all done. Thank you so much for watching.